Good morning, folks. We've got breaking news this morning. An explosion at an explosives factory in Tennessee has claimed many lives. Let's get into it. Multiple deaths confirmed. Others missing after a blast at a Tennessee explosives manufacturer plant. And this is in Hickman County, Tennessee, leaving several dead and others missing. Welcome to the special edition breaking news podcast here. A massive blast at a military explosive facility in Tennessee has left several dead and others missing. Let's take a look. Here are some of the distressing videos coming from the site. And I think those 13 people missing will probably all come up deceased. Just based on this footage that we're looking here, absolutely devastating explosion occurring in Tennessee earlier this morning. Take a look at that. Now, what type of explosives were detonated? Well, it's anyone's guess at this point. The explosion that occurred just before 8 a.m. local time was heard for miles, including in neighboring counties. There's a huge emergency response at the scene currently, with one first responder telling the Associated Press they could not enter the site initially due to continuing detonations. It is confirmed at least 19 people are unaccounted for following the explosion, according to local affiliate CBS. Let's see what we know here. Multiple people killed, at least 13 remain unaccounted for following a devastating blast. They still haven't given us a number here. This is at a Tennessee bomb factory on Friday morning. The massive explosion here was reported at 7:45 a.m. local time at the Accurate Energetic Systems plant. This is at Hickman-Humphreys County line west of Nashville. Humphreys County Sheriff Chris Davis confirmed to reporters there were fatalities and that there are people missing, but did not provide numbers. I'm sure we'll be getting those numbers earlier. We do know 19 are unaccounted for. We're trying to take as much time as needed right now. They are prioritizing people that are involved, their families, and trying to be very compassionate towards them. At least 13 people remain unaccounted for, according to Hickman County Mayor Jim Bates. 19 employees were inside the building at the time, and everyone remains unaccounted for. If there was a building here, and this is the state of it, pretty sure there are going to be no survivors. Pretty sure. The Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms and Explosives has been called to the scene. Authorities have requested people to avoid the area, and I'm sure everyone is swarming there. Accurate Energetic Systems describes itself as a leader in energetics and explosive industry, according to its website, which has been operating since 1980. And I do have some more details here. The company offers a range of explosive products. They've been around for 45 years. Among its listed specialisms are the creation of high-grade explosives for demolition, as well as the production of claymore mines, anti-personnel devices used by armies. The company also makes explosive munition pellets, which it says can be used for military and aerospace. We will link you to everything we have, and thoughts and prayers for all the families now waiting for news about their loved ones, which, based on the photos we have here, it's not going to be good. Hickman Mayor says the facility has no safety issues apart from one small explosion in 2014. Well, one small explosion can ignite other explosions, and then you can get a big boom like this. The mayor of Hickman County says there are still a lot of questions to be answered after the explosion. Speaking to CNN a few minutes ago, Mayor Jim Bates says the cause is still unclear, but the impacts on the community will be wide-reaching. It's devastating to see this. He also says he's heading to the site now. And if this is the site of the building and that's the parking lot, yeah. Our hearts, thoughts, and prayers go out to all the families. Thank you for tuning in. Share this video and be safe. We love you. And that is a boom.